Ready to unlock the incredible potential of plaid and turn this timeless textile into something truly amazing? Plaid isn't just a pattern, it's a gateway to endless creativity. Let's dive into some inspiring ideas, starting with apparel. Think beyond the basic button-down. Consider a chic plaid skirt, a cozy vest, or even a statement-making blazer. The key is to play with the scale and direction of the plaid for visual interest. Working with plaid requires a little extra care. Pattern matching is your best friend. Carefully align the plaid design at the seams before cutting and sewing to create a seamless and professional finish. Don't be afraid to use contrasting plaid patterns for added flair. Now, let's move on to home decor. Plaid can instantly add warmth and character to any space. Create eye-catching throw pillows, a rustic table runner, or even reupholster a small piece of furniture for a touch of classic charm. And lastly, don't forget about the joy of gifting. Small plaid accessories, like pouches, lined baskets, or even personalized keychains, make thoughtful and unique presents. Use smaller plaid scraps for these projects, reducing waste and maximizing your fabric stash. So, whether you're a seasoned sewist or a beginner crafter, plaid offers a fantastic opportunity to explore your creativity. Remember to tag us in your #plaid projects and #fabric crafts creations. Happy crafting!